We have a new project today. We are going to take this old piece of crap boat and we are going to turn it into something really cool. So the question might be, why? Why would we do this? Why would we go through all this? We basically bought this boat for the cost of the trailer. So the boat was basically free. So it's just kind of a fun thing to see what we can make out of it. Also, it's a very pretty hull, and it's a Formula, which is a kind of iconic brand in the boat business. So let's take a look at the boat and see where we're at. We have it stripped down completely right now. We have it gutted and it's ready to start rebuilding. So this is a good time to check it out and see what the before is. It's a 20-foot boat. As you can see from the inside, it is completely gutted. I've already rebuilt the transom. This boat was originally an IO, had a V8 engine sitting right here. Someone else before us had taken that engine out and converted it to an outboard, but they didn't do a very good job and the whole back end was rotten. So I've already replaced the entire transom. It doesn't look great, but structurally it's super strong. The stringers are strong, and that's good. It's got a swim platform and an outboard bracket on the back. So now we are literally going to redesign this whole boat and build an entire new interior. So, stay tuned, and it will get exciting from here. Well, it's been almost exactly 9 months since the video you just watched. That was the before video. And today the boat is finished. And so now let's take a look at the after. So as you can see, the boat is now silver. We wrapped it this really nice metallic silver. You can't really see the metallic in this light, but out in the sun it really glistens. Did a nice little black and orange waterline stripe, give it a little pop. Brand new rub rail. We've done some interesting textures. We've done this really cool pebble texture, and this is a really tough product. We think it's really going to be nice for ropes and stuff to not scuff. On the bow here, we did this houndstooth pattern that we had never really seen anyone do on a boat before, but we thought it was very classic and very fitting, and we just love it. We think it turned out really cool. Moving on back, we did a complete custom windshield. As you remember, there was nothing here, so we were free to do whatever we wanted. So we did a custom windshield. We've got the click-in fender pros for the buoys, which is a really nice touch. And as I said in the last video, it's a Formula, a very iconic brand in the marine industry. So of course we had to get the brand new Formula chrome logos, which set us back about $350, believe it or not, just for those decals. But I guess if you're gonna play the game, you gotta play, right? In the back, we did a brand new Suzuki 140. We think it's gonna be a nice, fuel-efficient motor and very quiet. All fully rigged. And inside, we've done full wraparound seating. So we've got seating in here now for 8 to 10 people comfortably, which is unheard of in a 20-foot boat. We did some interesting things here. We put the drink holders in between the seats because nobody wants to sit on the cracks anyway. So it seemed like a great way to handle the drink holder situation. We've done this cool diamond stitching. We've matched that with the diamond stitching in this really awesome captain's chair. We actually had this custom made for us for this boat. We've done some interesting things up here. We've got a great new stereo, a new JBL stereo. Put the Simrad in the middle, the phone charger. But there's a big surprise in the middle, and that is we have a full-on, full-size walk-in head on a 20-foot boat. Just absolutely unheard of. I can walk down here and I don't even have to duck. And those of you who've done a lot of boating in boats where there's a tiny little bathroom in a small boat, you know that's no fun. And so this was a big part of our design process. And as you can see, with the fabric on the sides, you're protected. You're private. This part comes down, velcros to the bottom. We'll have a little light in there, little fan in there. So we think that that's a really cool feature. When have you ever seen that in a 20-foot boat? So there you have it. 9 months. Obviously we didn't work on it full time. This was a nights and weekends project. So we're feeling pretty good about our progress, and we can't wait to get it in the water.